Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Square Team app, developed by Square to help businesses manage their staff scheduling, time tracking, and communication more effectively. The app allows managers to create and adjust employee schedules easily, track clock-in and clock-out times, and manage time-off requests all within a single platform. It syncs seamlessly with Square's other products, such as point-of-sale and payment systems, providing a cohesive experience for business owners. Pros include a user-friendly interface that simplifies workforce management, real-time updates that help avoid scheduling conflicts, and strong integration with Square's payment and sales tools. This integration helps businesses streamline payroll and labor cost tracking. The app also supports employee communication, enabling teams to stay connected and informed about schedule changes or announcements. Cons include some limitations in customization options for scheduling and notifications, which may not suit all business types. A few users report occasional syncing delays or minor bugs. Additionally, while the app is free to download, some advanced features may require a paid Square subscription, which could be a downside for very small businesses or those not already using Square's ecosystem. Overall, Square Team is a powerful solution for businesses looking to manage their workforce efficiently with tools designed to reduce scheduling errors and improve communication. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you don't understand something or have questions, please refer to the email address stated in the description.